A second book of Samuel, chapter 4. When Saul's loon Ishbosheth heard that Abner had died in Hebron, he was feared on all the Israelites, where Sarah command. Now Ishbosheth had 12 chills for captains of raiding parties. The een called Bana, and it thither Rechab, sons of Rimmon, the Beeroth, or a clan of Benjamin. Beeroth was part of Benjamin contra. A Beeroth folk had teen flick to Gittim, for they've bidden ever since. Saul's son Jonathan had a loon that was crippled. He was 5 year old when the news about Saul and Jonathan come to Jezreel, and his nurse picked him up and ran off. But in her haste, he fell and was crippled. He was called Mephibosheth. Rimmon, the Beeroth's loons, Rechab, and Bana, gaed to Ishbosheth's house, arriving in the heat of the day, when he was hand his dinner time snooze. They gaed in till a house, mocking on, they were there to get some wheat, and they stabbed him in the guts, and Rechab and his brother Bana slipped the wall. Ye see, when they come on him, he was lying in his bed in the bedroom, and they struck him and killed him. They cut it off his head, and took it with them, travelling all night ben a how. They brought Ishbosheth's head to Daavit in Hebron, and said to him, See, here's a head o' Ishbosheth, a son o' your fay, Saul, for was taking your life. And Maester has avenged your majesty again Saul and his family. And Daavit said to Rechab and his brother Bana, his sons of Rimmon the Beeroth, As sure as a Maester lives, a Maester has gotten me out of all my troubles. When a child telt me Saul's deed, thinking he was fessin' me great news, I took a hold of him and did a war with him in Ziklag. At fu I rewarded him for his great news. Fu muckle war, von Kjards have killed a great man in his ain house, on his ain bed. Should I nu sick his bleed for your hand and rid a warl of Ewings? Said Daavit, gied an order to his men, and they killed them, and hacked off their hands, and their feet, and hung them over a waterns at Hebron.